Good morning to everyone. Myself Dr. Piyush Kumar Patel, Department of Botany, Government Degree College Chodiala, District Haridwar. Today I am discuss on ecosystem and my topic name is food chain and food webs and ecological pyramid. First of all, food chain and food webs. A food chain is a chain of organic population existing in a natural ecosystem through which food, energy, and matter and transferred. Each link in a chain feeds on and gets energy from the one preceding it, and it turn eaten by the other succeeding it. The autotrophic green plant utilize solar energy and transfer it into a chemical energy by the process called photosynthesis. Thus, green plants occupy the first and initial step in a food chain. They are called producer and belongs to first trophic level. This is called as T1. The energy stored in a food matter of producer is then transferred to herbivores which feed upon green plants. The herbivores occupy the place of primary consumer, that is T2, and it is called a secondary trophic level. The herbivores in turn are eaten by the carnivores which constitute, this is third trophic level. It is called as T3. This in turn may be eaten still by others carnivores or the secondary carnivores which constitute a fourth trophic level, that is called T4, secondary carnivores. In turns may be eaten by the top carnivores which constitute the fifth trophic level called as T5. Thus, food energy generated by the fixation of the radiant energy into chemical energy by the primary producer follow from primary producer to the primary consumer, from primary consumer or the secondary producer, and the secondary consumer from the secondary consumer to the tertiary consumer, and so on. This is simply pathway on the movement of food energy is known as food chain. However, the energy is lost at each trophic level by respiration. The decomposers belongs to the last trophic level which cause decomposition at all levels. In nature, there are of two major type of the food chain. First, grazing food chains. This type of food chain is also known as the predator food chains and characterized by the predations or catching and killing for feeding. It consists of the firstly autotroph and heterotrophs, in which the autotroph are the produce and heterotrophs are the consumers. The food chains begins from the living autotrophic plant which synthesize organic food by capturing this energy from solar radiations. The food manufactured by producer then goes to grazing herbivores. These animals convert the vegetable matters into the animal matters. The herbivores are the first order consumers or primary consumer. In the next, the food chain are carnivores which catch hold of their prey and feed on their please. The examples of the producer and consumer in this kind of food chains are as follows. First, producers, all green plants are come in this category. B, the herbivores. In herbivores, the primary consumer. Firstly, they are come in category zooplanktons, grasshoppers, herbivores, feeds, field mouse, rabbit, goat, elephant, horse, cow, buffalo, etc. are the examples. C, primary carnivores, or it is called as the secondary consumers. In this category, frogs, spiders, moles, shrew, owls, kites, wild cats, fox, wild dog, etc. in this category. D. Secondary carnivores. Secondary carnivores are called as the tertiary consumer. It come in the category wolf, snake, large carnivorous fish, etc. E. Top carnivores. In this category, top carnivores: tiger, lion, falcon, shark, whalefish, and crocodile, etc. For this example of the grazing food chains, firstly in vegetation patterns, we are looking that first income in a vegetation eats by the squirrel, and squirrel eat by the wild cat, and also wild cat eat by the tiger. Second one is grassland. In grass eat for rabbit, and rabbit eat fox, and arrow is showing fox eat by the wolf, and wolf eat by the tiger. Number third, vegetation. All green vegetations depends on the mosquitoes. Mosquitoes eat by the dragonfly, and dragonfly eat by the frog, and frog eat by the snake, and snake eat of falcon. Fourth, diatoms and other algae. In this category, diatoms में zooplanktons, after all small crustaceous, small animals, and firstly predator insect and eat by the small fish, and these small fish eat by two different big things like that, large fish and other of the kingfisher, and these are eat by the crocodile. Fifth one is phytoplanktons. Phytoplanktons, they are growing inside of the water. They grow zooplanktons, eat by the crustaceans, and crustaceans eat by small fish. Small fish eat by large fish, and large fish eat by shark. This is example of the grazing food chains. Third one is number 2, detritus food chain. Detritus food chain, this type of food chain begins from the dead organic matter such as the dead parts, for example fallen leaves and dead bodies of animal. The dead organic matter include fallen twig, decaying roots, leaf litters, corpus dung. The organic remain are upon of three type of organic scavengers: detritus and decomposers. The scavengers feeds on the dead bodies, for example vulture. The detrivorous are small animal which directly feed on organic fragments, and insect large amount of the vascular plant detritus. For example of the detrivorous are termites. In termite, worms, beetle, crabs, copepods, and in insect larva, grass, shrimps, mycetes, nematodes, molluscs, etc. are the example. The decomposers such as bacteria, actinomycetes, and fungi. Soluble organic molecules by the excretion of the digestive enzyme. The enzyme act upon molecules such as cellulose, hemicellulose, starch, lignin, tannin, protein, fats, etc. They are convert them into soluble micromolecules such as the soluble sugar, amino acid, glycerols, fatty acid, etc. The decompose are preyed upon the several small animals including protozoans. This is an example, and also the animals are eaten and re-eaten by the detritus consumer. Then they are in turn eaten by the small carnivores, which in turn serve as the main food for the large top carnivores. This is a poor example of the terrestrial detritus food chains is given below. First of all, detritus, it is showing for the arrows. Detritus after all come in earthworm, and earthworm after all sparrow, and sparrow eats by the falcon. After all, second one is food webs. What is food webs? In nature, food webs, this is showing in the picture 9.2 and 9.3 and 9.4. In nature, the linear food chains do not appear as in the squares, and in the foods does not always pass from one population to the other linear sequences. Instead, several food chains are interconnected with each other, forming some sort of the internal patterns, thus a net-like interlocking different food chains by the forming interconnecting at a various trophic level is called food web or a food net. For example, in a open grassland where grazing food chain operate by the rabbits and somehow this is absent. In absence of rabbit, the grass is eaten by mouse and the mouse is eaten directly by hawk. In some other cases, the grass may be eaten by the mouse and the mouse is eaten by snake, and then later they are eaten by the hawk. In this way, on the interlocking pattern of food web is constructed, which is different from linear food chain. This is showing in this picture. Second one, this is picture showing in 9.3 and 9.4. Second one is the topic is ecological pyramid. What is ecological pyramid? It is showing of the ecosystem in a various ways. The definition, the relationship between among the successive trophic level of the food chain, that is a primary producer, primary consumer, and the secondary consumer, and top carnivores in terms of their numbers, biomass, and energy content may be represented diagrammatically by means of the graphic diagram called ecological pyramids. These are actually showing by the bar diagram indicating the quantities of parameter of each trophic level by the length of bar, where the producer level constitute the basis of the pyramid, top carnivores at the top and the other consumers forming intermediate. It is because of the reason the ecological pyramid are also called as bar pyramid. The ecological pyramids are three categories. First, pyramids of number. It is showing approximate number of the individual of organism each level of the trophic level. Number 2, pyramid of biomass. It is showing the amount of the living matter of each trophic level. Number 3, pyramid of energy. It is showing the rate of energy flow and productivity of successive trophic level. Firstly, we are discussing about pyramid of number. Pyramid of number, it is graphic representation of the numbers of individual organisms of successive trophic level, such as producer, other is herbivores and carnivores of the food chain per unit area at any time. The number of producers are shown at the base of the pyramid. It is followed by the numbers of primary consumer, it is called a herbivores, and then the number of the secondary consumer, it is called as the carnivores, and these numbers of top carnivores are shown at ecosystem. The pyramid of number, it is always upright, but in some cases It is inverted in case of parasitic food chain where single tree is taken as a producer. Some examples are as follows given in the pictures. Firstly, we are talking about in a grassland. The picture is showing figure 9.5. The food chain operating in a grassland show a very large number of producers, grasses or cropland. It is followed by the numbers of herbivores, primary consumers such as the grasshoppers, after that mice, after that rabbit, deer, cattle, goat, etc. In this picture 9.5 pyramid of number in a grassland ecosystem. These pictures are showing, these are the green vegetations dependent on the herbivores. The primary producer, firstly it is upright of the picture. Inside of the lower part is producer, it is denote of the T1. It depends on the grasshopper, they are called as the secondary or herbivores, it is showing T2. And grasshoppers uh, uh, they are feeding on primary consumer, it is shown in the T3. And T3 after all secondary consumers, which is showing T4 pictures. And all these depends and eaten by the T5, it is called as the top carnivores, showing in the picture of 9.5. The level is followed by still less number of the primary consumer and the secondary consumer such as the frogs, jackal or wolves. The number of a top carnivores such as tiger, peacock, etc. still goes down, which are placed at the top of pyramid. B. If we are looking in the pictures, figure 9.5, which is showing in the next slide, what happened in a pond ecosystem. The food chain operating in a pond is again upright in shape. The primary producer, mostly phytoplanktons and other algal forms, are large in numbers. It is shown at the base of the pyramid. It is followed by the zooplanktons, which are comparatively less in number. These support a few numbers of the carnivores, fishes, and finally the top carnivores such as stork, heron or kingfisher are the still less in number. It is showing in picture figure 9.6. C. In a forested ecosystem, it is showing in figure 9.7 the producer, which are showing in the next slide. The figure 9.7, the producer are large trees which are lesser in number and shown at the base of the pyramid. The next trophic level consists of herbivores, which are the fruit eating bird, example monkeys, deer, elephant, etc. They are carnivores, gradually decrease in number. Thus the shape of pyramid is neither upright nor inverted, it is spindle shaped. uh, D category. In a parasitic food chain, what happened? It is showing in the picture figure 9.8. In next slide, in this case, a single plant act as a producer which support the growth of the several herbivores. Each herbivores then provide nutrition to large number of parasites, and in turn they support still many hyperparasite. Thus the shape of the pyramid is inverted. This is a picture pyramid of number of pond ecosystem. It is always upright. It is a pond ecosystem which are showing in the base of the pond. There are many diatoms in the base of the pond. After all, they are eat of the phytoplanktons or diatoms eat by the small fishes. It is called as primary carnivorous. Second one, the primary carnivorous eats by the small fishes. It is called as the secondary carnivores, and these secondary carnivores eat by the top carnivores. For example of the top carnivores is kingfisher or cranes. These pyramids of number in forest. This picture is showing pyramid of number of forest in ecosystem. It is also look like as a bell shape. That firstly in a big tree, it depends. They are living many birds, and these many birds, uh, these are called as the primary herbivores because they are dependent on the producer plant, and these primary herbivores eat by the hawk, or it is called as the carnivores. Second picture, figure 9.8. This is a picture. This is a picture. It is showing the inverted pyramid of number in a parasite ecosystem in a single tree. It is inverted. The primary producer in a small in number, but the size is so big. It dependent on the primary consumer, like that small birds. It is called as the herbivores. These numbers of the bird is many more than the trees, and these birds depends on the parasites, termites, etc. They are many in numbers in comparison to the herbivores, and these parasites, last one, the top position, hyperparasites, they are the small fleas, etc. They are multiple in number and more than the primary producers, and between the middle categories. In the top, parasites are the multiple in number. So the picture and the diagram is shows to always inverted in number. Second one is we are discussing pyramid of biomass. It is showing in the figure 9.9 and 9.10. The pyramid which shows the relationship among different trophic level on the basis of biomass of organism are called pyramid of biomass. The biomass of an individual organism in the amount of the living material and is measured both as fresh or dry weight. In case of grassland and forest ecosystem, the biomass of organism shows gradual decrease from producer to top carnivores. Thus the pyramid are always upright. However, in case of the aquatic ecosystem, the pyramid of biomass is inverted. The producers of pond ecosystem are generally phytoplanktons having least biomass. The phytoplanktons are eaten rapidly by the primary consumer such as rotifers, water fleas, and other invertebrates. The herbivores are eaten by carnivores, which are further eaten by top carnivores. The biomass of top carnivores is always more in number. This is the picture which are showing pyramid of biomass in a terrestrial ecosystem. In the base of this picture, figure 9.9, primary producer in a large number. Also they eat by some animals like as a goat, sheep, rabbit, deer. They are called as the herbivores, and These herbivores eaten by the primary carnivores, like as a wolf, like as a other animal, and these primary consumer eat by the top carnivores. For example, top carnivores is lion, tiger, etc. Pyramid of energy. Pyramid of energy in any ecosystem is always upright because it is considered the total energy trapped by the trophic level in a unit area and time. The energy stored in a producer is always more as compared to the consumer. The green plant, they are living on the terrestrial ecosystem, and the phytoplanktons in aquatic ecosystem. They conserve solar energy and store in the chemical form inside the organic matter. The herbivores obtain energy stored in the form of food from the green plant. The carnivores get food from herbivores. The energy is always lost during transfer between one trophic level to another trophic level. This is a picture of pyramid of biomass and pyramid of energy aquatic ecosystem. First picture figure 9.10 is showing the aquatic ecosystem are showing it is inverted. The phytoplanktons primary producer are less in number in the aquatic ecosystem. They are multiple. Also, the first herbivores are depends on the primary producer. They are always to be small critters and small fishes, and these small fishes are eaten by the carnivores. They are also to be big fishes and less in number. So the figure 9.10 is showing to the inverted biomass of pyramid of energy. In another picture, in figure 9.11, it is always upwards of the sides. The primary producer are like that green plants, the number of green plant is maximum to more in the primary producers. Always they are called as a primary producer. The number of primary producers is much and more. Secondly, it is called as the T1 level, and after all the categories come after T2. They are depends on the primary producer. They are eaten of the primary producer, and the primary producer, it is called as primary consumer, and primary consumer are eaten by the wolf. It is called as the T3 category, and the wolf is eaten by the T4 category. It is last one, top carnivorous. For example, top carnivorous is looking at picture is lion, tiger, etc. So all the topic in ecosystem, food web and food chain is complete. Thank you so much. Thank you.